Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CB500F. This twin-cylinder lightweight sport standard just arrived with only 16,000 miles on the odometer. This is one of the best looking CB500Fs we've ever had. It's been debadged. It's got a really cool smoked windscreen, fender eliminator, rear seat cowl. Wait till you hear that Yoshimura exhaust. It's got frame sliders and a beautiful pearlescent white paint scheme. Bike is in excellent condition, adjustable levers, price to sell for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.